In this video, I'll show you how to install Tesla Model 3 cabin air filter. This will apply to some of the Model Y years as well. So you get two of them. They're for about 70 bucks on the Tesla website. And actually, they are made in Germany. So they made it quite a ways far. For the Toronto area, they do get shipped from New York. This is the panel that we need to drop down in order to access the cabin air filter. So there are 4 clips. This panel drops down, we disconnect the light, and then we can access the filters. To drop these down, it's very easy. You can use a flathead screwdriver or just use something like this. And you pull them out. Clips are out, so you can just use this to pull this panel out. So the light is out. There's also a speaker wire you have to remove, and now we can just unclip this padding here, hopefully. So the cabin air filter is located right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. Right there. Where this orange wire is that plastic cover. So you can lift the tab here, there's a screw here, and you can pop this up. Just for fun though. This is your AI3 Hardware 3 computer for the FSD. So this is the screw I'm removing, and I can just do it using a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay. Kind of a tight squeeze. Working with one hand, but we'll get it. I might need 2 hands to remove the filter. Old ones. Yep. That's the other side. Now let's get the new ones. So the arrow means towards the cabin. The air comes this way, goes out this way. So we're gonna drop the first one in like this. Then we're gonna take the second one, gonna put it on top of it. So one is dropped already. This is the second one. Just push it in. So there's the first tab, second tab, like this. We're gonna put everything back together, and then I gotta show you something we gotta do in the car's service menu before this service is complete. So we're gonna go to the settings, service, maintenance. I'll show you all the maintenance items. Hopefully you can see it. And we have cabin air filter due. So we just click confirm, cabin air filter replacement, the date, the kilometers. Confirm, and there you go, it's done.